Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about bar graphs. Bar graphs help us understand different information in a simple and clear way. Let us see how the forest residents deal with this topic. In the meadow, a fawn and a squirrel met. The fawn noticed that the squirrel was collecting various nuts and asked how many she had. The squirrel replied that she had a lot, but did not know exactly how many. The fawn suggested drawing a bar graph to see. The squirrel thought that was a good idea, but instead of drawing bars, she started stacking the nuts. The fawn laughed, and I explained that a bar graph is a drawing, not a pile of nuts. A hedgehog and a bunny met by the stream. The hedgehog was telling the bunny that bar graphs are very useful when we want to compare different things. The bunny, who always wants to be smart, said he knew how it works. The hedgehog asked him to draw a bar graph showing how many different fruits they had collected. The bunny drew beautiful bars, and the hedgehog added that each bar represents a different amount of various fruits. I explained that this is exactly what a bar graph is. Each bar shows something different, and how much of that thing we have. Un topo y un ratón se encontraron en el prado. Les di la tarea de dibujar un gráfico de barras con el número de flores que encontraron. El topo, aunque ve mal, comenzó a dibujar las barras con entusiasmo. El ratón, que es muy preciso, añadió que cada barra debería tener la altura correcta. La barra amarilla debería ser el doble de alta que la roja, porque encontraron el doble de tulipanes que de rosas. El topo estuvo de acuerdo y juntos dibujaron un hermoso gráfico. Revisé su trabajo y ambos lo hicieron correctamente, manteniendo las proporciones en la altura de las barras. In summary, bar graphs are a great tool for comparing different things. Each bar on the graph represents something different, and its height shows how much of that thing we have. With them, we can easily see and compare what there is more of and what there is less of, and by how much. Thank you for learning together with me, and see you next time.